Hey everyone, so today I'm doing some commercial carpet repairs at a hotel, and you can see that most of the damage is on the seams. It's usually from not using seam sealer. It just will start delaminating like that. So the main thing to do on this job is when I'm patching to definitely use seam sealer and make sure it doesn't happen again. But this carpet is definitely not easy to work with. If you cut into it, especially since it's used, the wrong cut, even by an 16th of an inch, is going to start unraveling the carpet, and you're just going to have to do another patch. So it's definitely not easy to work with. But it's still a very big improvement on that. So the patch will be a little noticeable, especially in those high traffic wear areas. And since this is a hotel, it's probably not going to last that long, maybe a year or two, but it's much better than what it is, and just trying to get more life out of this carpet. So I didn't get much footage because on jobs like these I really just try to get in and out, and just focus most of my attention on the actual repair. And but I did want to share some before and afters, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.